Hi, e-commerce shop owner. So this week we are talking all about the Facebook pixel, and today I want to answer the question, what is a Facebook pixel? So the Facebook pixel is simply a piece of code that you put on your website that then allows Facebook to track a whole lot of things. That is the short answer of what a Facebook pixel is. So it is a way to make it so Facebook can track the traffic on your website. So what can the Facebook pixel track? It can track your purchases, your leads, and for example, if they sign up for an opt-in, if someone registers for an event, if they add payment, if they add to cart, if they add to their wish list. It can track checkouts. If someone does a search on your site, it can track viewing content, meaning someone lands on a page on your site, if they fill out a contact form, and more. So the Facebook pixel basically allows Facebook access to your website data. That is what the Facebook pixel is. We talked yesterday about why it's important to have the Facebook pixel. Well, we actually talked about whether it is important for your business or not, gave you some kind of guidelines as to how to figure out if the Facebook pixel is important for your business. So if you didn't see that video, go back and watch it tomorrow. All this week, we're going to be talking about the Facebook pixel, so make sure you join me as I go live each day. If you're not following my channel, of course, go ahead and follow me so you can get tips about your small business, especially if you're an e-commerce shop owner, every single day here on TikTok Live. If you're not joining me on TikTok Live, you're probably seeing a reposted video. If it is not the full video, come to TikTok and watch the full thing. It'll be posted shortly after I end my live. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love to know your thoughts on the Facebook pixel, so feel free to comment below and tell me what you think about the Facebook pixel, whether it's important to your business or not, why you think you should have it, why you shouldn't have it, and let's go ahead and run through again what the Facebook pixel is before I end the live for today. So the Facebook pixel is a piece of code that is placed on your website so that Facebook can track what is happening on your website. So they can actually see all your website visitors, not just the visitors from Facebook, and you will be able to track whether they view content, so in other words, landing on any page and looking at it, their purchases, if they opt into something, so a lead, if they register for an event, if they add payment, they add to cart, if they add to their wish list. Of course, it'll track checkouts, and it'll help with seeing if anyone has done a search, if they fill out the contact information, and tons of other things. Now, depending upon if you're using the standard install or if you're doing custom events, you do have more control over adding even additional things than this. And setting up the Facebook pixel is going to be dependent upon what website platform you are on. So thank you so much for joining me live for this little short talk about the Facebook pixel. Again, watch the video from yesterday if you'd like to know more about figuring out if you should have the Facebook pixel installed on your website and why it's important or why it's not. Follow the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.